Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a new course that is currently available in the early bird special. There are 3 sections that are available at the time of this recording, and as I create new sections, you'll get access to it. Now, as this early bird special, you'll get a discounted rate, so you get a certain percentage off if you sign up early, and then you'll get access to the 3 sections that are done, and then as new sections are done and new videos are done, you'll get new videos, and I try to release them almost every day that I'm editing. So as soon as I edit one, I upload it. Edit one, I upload it as well. So I'll be working on this, but I wanted to make sure that I get this out early so people can access it. Now, I am posting this on both of my channels, both Learning Dojo and Vibe Dojo, so you can check it out at either one of those websites. So if you go to Learning Dojo and then go into the courses section, you can click on View More Courses here. It will be part of that URL as well. But when you go to the courses section, it will be Vibe Coding Fundamentals. Now, if you go to Vibe Dojo and click on Learn here, you can see right here, it says coming soon now, but once this is released, it will just say Vibe Coding Early Bird, and you can get to it there as well. So let's talk about the 3 sections that are currently done, and then what is coming up and kind of the vision for the rest of the course as well. I really wanted this to be an exhaustive course that takes you into a lot of different tools, a lot of different possibilities, talks about components and structure and things like that, because vibe coding is still, even though anybody can do it, it's still good to know the components. It's still good to know what the output is, what you can do, what a database is, what security is. So it's not something that you can just, it is something that you can just get started with just without knowing anything. But then there comes when you're wanting to integrate it into Rise or Storyline or other things like that, there comes a part where you need to know a little bit more. And that's the point of this course. So let's go ahead and dive into some of these sections. So you can see right here, I'll have an introduction. I usually do the intros and outros at the end, but right here we get started with like introduction to myself. What is vibe coding? Talking about vibe coding, a shift into like a learning developer, where I see that going, staying technical. A lot of this is more at the very beginning, kind of tips and tricks and setting the stage for what's going to come in the rest of the course. So tip 1, focus on one feature at a time. Tip 2, there's two modes of thinking. Also acting as a product manager. So I'll talk about and what product managers do and how you're kind of acting as a product manager now when you're in vibe coding. And then also I'll demo a lot of different possible apps and then a final thought to kind of wrap up that section. Then we dive into the blueprint. Now the blueprint basically is a document that allows you to think through your application, especially if it's a full application or a full course, to think through exactly how this is going to work and define that, and then upload that for your initial prompt and how that allows you to create something just off of a document, at least an initial start. Then we start to iterate, then we start to add other things to it. So we talk about this blueprint, we talk about establishing the why, the who of the product requirement document. We'll talk about technical components. We'll talk about using this product requirement document, which is the blueprint, as a guide and exploring different parts of the PRD. And then using the PRD to create a course. And so we actually take that, upload it, and create a course from there. Now the section I'm currently recording, and this is essentially one that will be out there that will dive into the tools, and we take a flip card interaction and we build it in all of the different various tools out there. It's not exhaustive. We're not iterating it. We're not updating it and getting it perfect. We're basically just saying, okay, here's a prompt. And then let's see what ChatGPT does with the prompt. Let's see what Claude does with the prompt. Let's see what Lovable does with the prompt, what Bolt. And so I explore all the different possible tools that I'm aware of, and I'm sure more will come out, but we'll explore all the different possibilities that I'm aware of and just see how it does it just out of the box. So currently I have a couple different recorded here. So how to create it inside of ChatGPT, Claude, Replit. Today I'll be recording Bolt and Base 44, Lovable, Visual Studio Code, Tailwind, and Cursor. So those are all the different tools that we're just going to do this initial prompt and see what we get out of the box and how we can start to iterate it if needed as well. Then in the next section, we dive more deep into vibe coding with ChatGPT. So we talk about all the different ins and outs of ChatGPT, how to vibe code with it, how to get the HTML file, how to preview it, how to iterate on it, how to go back and update it. So those are the different things with ChatGPT. Now we'll take that and we'll put it inside of Rise, and I'll show you how to get a completion inside of Rise, how to upload several files inside of Rise as well. So we dive kind of more into Rise and how these vibe coding tools interact inside of Rise. Or inside, we'll also do Storyline, where we take these vibe coding tools, whatever the output is from vibe coding, and we'll just integrate it inside of Storyline as well. And then we get back into, and I don't have it defined here, but I am going to have a whole section on Claude as well, just like with ChatGPT, we'll have a whole section on Claude, or I may actually integrate it inside of ChatGPT. Then we get into Lovable. And Lovable is like one of my favorite applications at the moment, because you can create full applications with logins and tracking and database users, and allowing the user to create different things, and full applications. Will dive into Lovable there. But really, to use Lovable and to get the most out of Lovable, we need to understand what databases are. So we'll pause a second on the Lovable, and then we'll start to dive into databases. Then we will talk more about fine-tuning with Cursor. Now, Cursor is a different type of application. It's a desktop application, and it allows us to, even if you run out of your credits inside of Lovable, you can actually continue inside of Cursor. I use that all the time. That integrates GitHub, and so we'll talk about GitHub and creating different versions and different things. And then we'll start working through different examples. Now, I'm not sure if this will turn into several different sections or if it'll just be one section, but I want to build like a task management. I want to build an entire course from scratch. So I want to say, this is, if you wanted this to be trackable through SCORM, this is how you would actually build it. If you want to build an interactive video and have it tracked through XAPI, this is exactly how you would build it. So this is where I see, because AI changes all the time, this is going to be a breathing course, living, breathing course, basically. So I will go back in and I will add sections. I will update it. Anytime I ever sell a course, any updates that I add to that course, you automatically get for free. So it's a one-time cost. You automatically get all of the updates for free. I've been doing that with my Storyline course. Everyone who started with Storyline 1 now has the current version of Storyline in that same course. Even if you bought it in version 1, you have the latest here. So I always update it without charging you anything extra there. And that's what I see with this. Now, there are going to be other courses that kind of offshoot from there, like focused on a game, how to create a game inside of Vibe Code, how to create specific types of learning interactions that will go outside of the basics. This is just the main course that I'm focused on that will allow you to get started and just allow you to hit the ground running with Vibe Code. So if you like this, go ahead and make sure that you click on the link below and you sign up for the early bird discount as well. And then also leave comments as you're going through the course and let me know, hey, this didn't really make sense, or it'd be nice if we focused a little bit more on this, or hey, let's add this type of section. I am very open to those types of comments here. All right, so if you want to check out more, you can head on over to either of my websites at vibedojo.ninja or learningdojo.ninja as well, where you can also check out my blogs. You can check out other courses as well. And then also on learningdojo.ninja, you can check out full apps that you can sign up for as well. If you like this video, head on over to my YouTube channel, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell notification so you get notified of all future videos as they come out. That really helps my channel, allows me to continue to grow, allows me to continue to make these videos for you to help you really become the best learning developer or vibe developer that you can be. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.